Hello friends, welcome to World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage inspired cottage home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired cottage home decor is a charming interior design style that blends the cozy warmth of cottage living with the elegant nostalgia of vintage design. It creates a space that feels welcoming, lived-in, and full of character, like a beautiful countryside home filled with the stories from the past. Vintage-inspired cottage decor focuses on comfort, simplicity, and nostalgia. It draws from older design eras, such as the early to mid-20th century, and combines them with the soft, rustic charm of a country cottage. The goal is to make a home feel warm, romantic, and timeless rather than modern or polished. Key features: antique and repurposed furniture is weathered with tables, distressed cabinets, and vintage dressers that show a little wear, giving the room character and charm. A soft muted color palette: cream, ivory, shades green, pale blue, dusty rose, and soft gray are typical. These colors create a calming, airy atmosphere. Floral and natural inspired patterns: think dainty floral curtains, botanical prints, or embroidered cushions. Fabrics like cotton, linen, and lace are popular. Mix of old and new: pair a vintage candelier with modern upholstery, or an antique mirror with a new pastel walls, balancing charm and freshness. Next, decorative details: vintage accessories. Use old clocks, typewriters, enamel or ceramic pictures. Use cottage textiles, quilts, rosetted throws, ruffled linens, and lace-trimmed pillows. Wall decor: framed botanical prints, plastic shelves, and old-fashioned portraits, or landscape paintings. Lighting: use soft, warm lighting from table lamps, lanterns, or candle sconces. The atmosphere: the vintage-inspired cottage style feels comfortable and lived-in, never too perfect, romantic and nostalgic, evokes memories of a simpler past. Inviting and personal, filled with meaningful pages and gentle charm. Here is a deeper and more detailed look into vintage-inspired cottage home decor, exploring its roots, atmosphere, and decorative approach in every corner of the home. The heart of the style: comfort and character. Vintage-inspired cottage decor celebrates the beauty of imperfection. Instead of sleek modern finishes, it embraces items that show history, craftsmanship, and gentle wear. The result is a space that feels warm, nostalgic, and filled with personal touches, like a storybook home that has grown with time. This style is not about matching everything perfectly. It is about layering pieces that have soul, a cheaply painted dresser, an old clock, or a handmade quilt. Each element feels love and meaningful. Historical influence: this aesthetic draws inspiration from English country cottages, 19th century farmhouses, and early 20th century vintage homes. It is rooted in rural life, cozy, slow-packed, and connected to nature. It also borrows gentle elegance from Victorian and Shabbatic styles, combining comfort with romantic nostalgia. Key visual elements: cabinets, distressed finishes, painted furniture that shows age, cheap taste, or old paint and its authenticity. The soft romantic colors, pastel shades like mint, rose, and cream, or natural tones like shades linen tube dominate the palette. Layered textures is cotton, linen, lace, crochet, and wool create a tactile, cozy feel. Mix of patterns, florals, gingham, and teal canvas stripes are common, especially in curtains, bedding, and cushions. Next, room by room inspiration. First, living room. Use a slip-covered sofa with soft linen or floral fabrics. Add antique side tables, a distressed coffee table, and vintage lamps. Display collections like books, ceramic pictures, or framed botanical prints on open wooden shelves. Add a woven rug and cozy blankets for warmth. Kitchen. Go for open shelving with stacked vintage dishes, jars, and teacups. Back block counters and painted cabinets like white, cream, or pastel tones add a traditional look. Hang lace or gingham curtains and place fresh flowers in enamel jugs or old mason jars. Bedroom. Use an iron or wooden bed frame with layered coils and floral bedding. Include vintage dressers, antique mirrors, and lace curtains. Soft lighting, such as a small candelier or bedside lamp with a fabric shade, enhances the romantic cottage mood. Bathroom. Use plafond tubs, vintage-style buckets, and porcelain sinks. Add woven baskets, floral towels, and glass jars for soaps and cotton balls. Accents and details that bring it to life. Vintage artwork, old botanical illustrations, or landscape paintings. Use wicker baskets, perfect for storage or decoration. Candles and lanterns create that cozy golden evening glow. Fresh flowers, use roses, lavender, daisies for simple garden beauty. Old books stacked casually on tables or shelves for a charming Lipton feel. The mood it creates, a vintage-inspired cottage home feel peaceful, a retreat from modern chaos, warm and inviting. You want to sit down, have tea, and relax. Romantic, filled with soft light, gentle fabrics, and nostalgic charm. Personal, each corner tells a story, often with handmade or heirloom items. This style is not just about furniture or colors. It is a way of bringing warmth, nostalgia, and nature into your home. The soul of vintage cottage decor at its core. Vintage-inspired cottage decor is about romance, simplicity, and authenticity. It is a design style that celebrates a slower pace of life, where comfort and beauty matter more than perfection. Timer pages that tell stories, homemade or handcrafted details that show love and care. It captures the spirit of an old countryside home, cozy, natural, and timeless, even if you live in a modern house or apartment. Furniture in this style feels collected of a time, not bought all at once. It is perfectly fine to mix old and new, as long as each piece feels warm and timeless. Common furniture choices. Vintage or antique oak tables with distressed finishes. Use iron bed frames with carved details. Old wooden cabinets, dressers, and armoires. Use wicker chairs or baskets. Also, slip-covered sofas in light, washable fabrics. You can also repurpose furniture, paint an old dresser into a soft white, or use a wooden ladder as a blanket rack. Decorative touches that tell a story. Small touches are the heart of this style. Each one adds charm and meaning. Old mirrors with patinated glass use messengers, enamel pictures, and teacups used as flower vases. Stacked vintage books or a typewriter on a desk, floral china or mismatched dishes displayed openly. Old picture frames holds old family photos or botanical prints. Each piece adds a layer of memory, turning the house into a home with a soul. Lighting and ambience. Lighting in vintage-inspired cottages should feel soft, golden, and inviting. Stable lamps in fabric or ruffled shades. Stay the first overhead lighting. The emotional feel. A vintage-inspired cottage home feels gentle and peaceful, a retreat from fast modern life. Romantic and sentimental, full of soft colors and memories. Handmade and human, showing the beauty of imperfection. Warm and inviting, where every guest feels at home instantly. It is a space that whispers the stories of the past, while remaining comfortable for today's living. A home that tells a story. A vintage-inspired cottage home is not just decorative, it is crafted like a memory. Every object feels as though it has been passed down, discovered in an antique market, or lovingly handmade. The beauty lies in the mix of history, nature, and comfort. When you walk into such a home, you feel a quiet warmth, the kind that reminds you of simpler times, handwritten letters, garden tea parties, and cozy evenings by candlelight. This decor is about creating emotion through environment, a sense of peace, nostalgia, and homely embraces. The philosophy behind the look. Unlike modern minimalist interiors that prize sleek lines and emptiness, vintage cottage decor trips on layering, softness, and story. It values patina, the gentle earth that comes with ease. Handmade beauty, like quartz embroidery, painted furniture, personal touches, old photographs, letters, and heirlooms. Simplicity over perfection, mismatched tears, uneven paint, chipped ceramics. This philosophy makes your home feel alive, filled with history and art. The art of collecting. In a vintage cottage decor is built over time, not bought in ante. It is the art of collecting, finding pieces that speak to you and blending them naturally. Think of an old clock ticking softly on a mantle. Vintage lace curtains fluttering in the breeze, a collection of floral teacups displayed proudly. Old books stacked beside a window seat. This layered approach gives the home depth, character, and authenticity. No two rooms ever look the same. The feeling it creates, a vintage-inspired cottage home feels soft, nothing harsh or modern dominance, romantic, vaulted floral details, candlelight, and tender hues. Beautiful, calm, uncluttered, and connected to nature, inviting a place where you want to curl up with a book or share tea with a friend. Every sound, creaking floor, ticking clocks, rustling curtains, adds to the home's soul. The lifestyle connection, living in a vintage-inspired cottage setting, often encourages a more mindful, slower lifestyle. People who love this decor often enjoy gardening and growing herbs or flowers, collecting antiques and repurposing old files, DIY crafts like crochet, embroidery, or furniture painting, decorating for each season naturally with greenery, flowers, or cozy blankets. It is a style that blends romance, craftsmanship, and comfort, turning daily life into something beautifully simple. Over time, people began romanticizing this style, turning it into a blend of nostalgia and nature, where the past meets comfort and creativity. It is more than just a look, it is a feeling of home, history, and heartfelt warmth. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe